Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the noise on your videos in a CapCut PC. So if you're...
You know what? I've lost my sense of taste lately. Really? What have you been eating? This morning I was eating my favorite sandwich, but it didn't...
on CapCut PC by following the steps. So after you add your videos into CapCut PC, you can just click on the video here on a timeline and head to the audio menu at the top right corner, and if you scroll down there will be an options to reduce the noise, so you can just click on this to enable the feature. Now the noise has been reduced and your videos will get a better audio quality. So that's a pretty simple tutorial from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.